Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to release or place any fish into the fish tank. First, you need a fish tank like this. You can get this fish tank at buy it at the NPC Vanya. And then after you get this fish tank like this, just click on the fish icon, this one. And then just choose the part that you want to add the fish. Like for example in here I want to choose special part like this, and then next just choose the fish that you want to add. For example, I want to add the hermit crab like this, and then just simply tap on complete like this, and after that your quest will be complete. You already released your fish into your fish tank like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.